Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Sennheiser CX200 in the application. You have to start by opening the application and now go to settings at the right bottom. Right here we have factory reset, click on it and then click OK. Now we should wait and look at these LED lights. So now it's blinking green and red, and after that it should enter to pairing mode. Yeah, here we go. Now hide the application and open settings, go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android, and now we should remove these headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and now click on your headphones at the charging list, the device list. Cool, now hide the settings and open the application. Click add product, headphones, and it finds these headphones, so click on it. And now you should click pair also. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!